Today one more inspirational video I would like to share with you. Here it is, let me share. Goal was very ambitious, public were highly interested, and then experts were ready to contribute, but money is also readily available. Let me share the one story, that is the story of successful men. Let me share that one. In the early 900s, that is, Longley was expected, supposed to be a pilot of an airplane. So he was highly regarded, highly educated. He was an FE officer in the Simon University and also worked as a mathematics professor in the Harvard University. So he is also having a highly contacts in the government. The men were Andrew Carnegie and also Abraham Graham Bell and all this. And he was funded $50,000 from the War Department for his dream project of airplane. And that is a $50,000. That time it was incredible amount for to achieve his dream. That is, War Department has been allotted to him. He also having a highly talented team to achieve the goal. Everything is okay. He is having everything he is having. But what happened? So what happened that he also having finest material to use to his dream project, and all the entire country of American country was expecting more about him and expecting when he is going to complete his goal, and believing that the country also started believing that he is going to complete the goal of his dream project. Even the press also, that is the newspapers, press, media, everybody was around him that he is going to achieve his goal very few months or with few days. The success was guaranteed. Okay, that is another side of the coin. The another next side of the coin, let me say that a few hundred miles away, there is a Wilbur and Wilbur Wright. These are used to call Wright brothers. These are the Wright brothers are having a passion to fly a machine. So they both brothers are used to work in a bicycle shop. They don't have any high connections in the government and highly funded. Nobody funded to them, and even the team also not highly educated, not graduated from any degree or college. Even the Wright brothers also not graduated or from the college at all. And this is the team highly motivated, and they have started. This is the dream machine project at the bicycle shop in their hometown, Ohio. And in the December 903, a small group witnessed that a man is flying a machine in the sky. How did the Wright brothers succeeded? Where a better equipped, better funded, better educated team of the Longley was not succeeded. Is it was in a luck? No, not at all. It was not a luck. Both Wright brothers and Longley had a strong work ethics, and are highly motivated and working for the same goal. And they are pursuing exactly the same goal to achieve that. Then why the Wright brothers has been achieved and why the Longley has been failed? What is the difference between that? So that means here the Wright brothers were able to inspire around them and truly work to achieve, to develop the technology which was inspiring, which was necessary for the world. That's why these are the true Wright brothers was being succeed. They are having a passion in their mission and the determination in their work. So that's why that is the Wright brothers has been achieved. Still I am asking you the question. That means that is my judgment. What is the difference between Longley and Wright brothers? I would like to ask you why this is a Longley has been failed. Everything he is having in his hand, everything the government has funded, and brothers, and even that highly educated team he is having, and better equipment he is having, but not succeeded. Here the Wright brothers are poor people working in a bicycle shop, and only a little bit not educated team they are having, but they invented, they discovered the aeroplane. Then what is the motto behind of the Wright brothers and Longley? Why the Longley has been not succeeded and why the Wright brothers has been succeeded without any equipment, money and educated team? That is I would like to ask the public. Thank you.